Ayan guys, thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta sa aking LS at ako'y mag-e-end na. Ayan, shout out all. Thank you very much. Ayan, kapasalamat ako. Ayan, sa mga pumunta, nagtamsa, kaya nagpaharang, nagpigi. Ayan, thank you. Boss R Official, ayan. Thank you very much. Sir Masing Vlog TV, thank you. BFF Lerms TV Vlog, thank you. Wait lang. All About Food and Travel, thank you. Sir Masing, Sir Riders Bong Motovlog, thank you. MM Lu Bautista, salamat. Rene Kalunsag, thank you very much. Yan, BFF Flowers TV Vlog, Sir Masing Vlog TV, ayan, thank you very much sa inyo, Boss R Official. Ayan, Queen Style 20, thank you. Si Norman Dabdelion, thank you very much. Guns and Roses, ayan, Baby Ergin BFF, thank you. Ayan, Queen Style 20. Ayan, thank you BFF. Ayan, kay Ma'am King Steve, thank you. Lucy Warren's World, thank you. Sir Riders Bong Motovlog, ayan, Baby Ergin BFF, thank you very much. Reyna Serrano, thank you. BFF Sir Alhads Vlog, thank you very much, Sir Alhads. Ayan, thank you very much sa inyong lahat, guys. Ako'y mag-e-end na po. Bye-bye. Wait lang. Sige, duyan man.